Bunch push left. Oh, watch out. Jeff, lined up with me. Center out. Left corner. How are we looking over there? Back right! I don't see anyone over there. There's two right here, yeah, stacked up, one in front of the other. All right. Jeff, pushing up the right side. We lost our right side. We have one guy on our right. Right side! Pushing up left! One dead on the left.
Good shot, that was you?
Yeah. Yo, good play, dude. We got one on the left. What about the right? He's out on the right. I think there's only one on the left. One on the left. Yep. Yo. Yo, that was an awesome play. I came around you, and I was gonna surrender you, but then you went running.
I just in time.
Yeah, that was awesome. That was literally like my last ball.
Yeah, I was low. Whoever was in that corner was that you? Yeah. Oh my god, you're freaking keeping me pinned down. I feel like whizzing by.
Oh yes! I only had 5 balls left.
I gotta put the electric. I'm gonna use my electric gun. The air's killing me, the wind's killing me.
Dude, same. I'm breaking a ton of paint too.
I'll play this. I couldn't see shit.
Same.
My mask is so like fogged and wet. You want to strap it?